Today I'm going to be reviewing Anjuban's enhanced leak-proof bottom freezer organizer bins. I'd like to thank them for sending these to me to review. I've got 4 bins here. I've got a messy freezer. Maybe I just suck at organizing things, but I want to see if these baskets are going to encourage me to organize my freezer so we can get this all fixed. Let's check it out. All right, here we go. Before we go look, and it did really help. The baskets are really nice. The bottom has small spaces, so big things can't fall through. A lot of these have, like you see on the side there, much wider spaces between them on the bottom, and things fall through. So you don't have to worry about that on here. Now, I was only able to fit 3 into my freezer because I've got a smaller one, but look, it definitely helps. So I organized that bottom shelf, but they go from front to back. I was able to stick everything in them and organize everything in my freezer, which I really needed some help with. I'm pretty happy. There's 7 cubic feet. I'm going to put the size up on here. These do really well on Amazon. 4.6 stars, 298 reviews. It's an Amazon choice. And last month, November 2025, 1,000 plus of these were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.